You absolute child! I am back with something more hideous that I almost puked and shit myself in my sleep. Today, I present to you this shit. Look at this shit by UBISOFT, the most hideous creature that I've ever seen in my entire 1000 years of existence. UBISOFT literally made him a femboy. Look at it. Absolute dog shit. It is not a girl anymore. It is not a girl anymore. It looks like a freaking guy. And this is not the work of any artist. This is the work of brain dead, brain rotted people. The management people, the higher ups. Okay? This is not the work of any artist. Artists cannot do this shit. Artists cannot create something so hideous. And if you're an artist who did it, then I'm gonna come over there and tear your drawing page. You need to go back to kindergarten. Kindergarten kids can draw better than you. Can differentiate between what is a girl and what is a boy. I have never seen anything so hideous in my entire freaking life. This is a femboy. This is not a woman. This is not a girl. This is not a woman. This is a freaking femboy. Look at her face. Those are guy lips over there. These are the hips of a guy. Look at the shoulder. Yep, wide shoulders. The guy has boobies. Yes, that is why this is a femboy. They have boobies. Probably these are freaking, I don't know, silicone boobs or something. I don't know. We never had such things in my time in Japan. Look at the waist. This is a guy's waist. Women do not have such wide waist. The legs, yes, very thick legs. This is literally a femboy. Hey, oh yeah, I forgot the freaking neck. Yeah, look at the neck. Very thick neck. You know who has thick neck? Guys have thick neck. Oh yeah, forgot the back as well. Look at the back. Very muscular back. What woman in this world has a muscular back? Unless she's like, I don't know, into bodybuilding. Even bodybuilding women, unless they take something illegal, some drugs and shit, they do not develop this sort of like muscular back. Now I want to present to you her heels. Look at them heels. Very bad and very manly heels. And look at the legs. Very manly freaking legs. Guys have these type of legs. Women do not have such freaking legs. They have curvy legs. God damn. I do not know how did this get past. Now let's look at 2B's original design. Look at this. This is the original 2B design. Look at the proportions of her body. This is the torso. These are the hips. And these are the legs. That is how you draw a female character. That is how you draw a girl or a woman. Look at her waist. Then look at her hips. The shoulder is shorter than the hips because that is how women anatomy works. That is how God created women. This is the hideous thing that I've ever seen in my life. I do not know how to explain this shit. This abomination thing that I'm seeing over here. And then look at her heels as well. Yep. Very pointed heels. This thing deserves an award. And the people who approved it, who proposed it, deserve an international award for the peak of garbage design. This is absolute trash. Nobody can design worse than this. You cannot get worse than this. My God. Small ass freaking ass, wide ass back, wide ass shoulders. This is literally a freaking femboy in a girl's clothes. He likes to dress up as 2B. Yep. And this is not just UBISOFT. Like every other kind of like US and the Western characters, they are turning these beautiful women into shit kind of like characters, into men. This is not just UBISOFT. They are turning these beautiful women, okay, be it be it of any culture, okay, into these hideous monsters, okay, into these hideous men kind of like characters. I cannot explain this shit. This is another character that I wanted to cover. I do not like this character. Do not get me wrong. The design is cool, everything is cool. Very cool design, very sick design, okay? But my problem with this is, who in the world is so freaking hungry, so freaking thirsty, that they designed a rat into a beautiful anime girl? Who in the world is so freaking thirsty? Tell me. Why are you so thirsty? What is your problem? Rats are meant to be dirty, they are meant to be ugly, and then you design some shit like this for your thirst, and then everyone has to accept it. Okay, there are good rat characters. The sensei from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, all right, and a lot of good characters. Like there are a lot of good mouse Pokemon, rat Pokemon. I don't know, Rattata is there. There are a lot of good characters, good rat characters. If you would have designed her into a mouse character, okay, if you would have given her some mouse features, that would have been cool. That would have been cool. Why did you not do that? Why did you not give her a mouse kind of like features? There are so many cute mouse characters, okay? Even if you wanted to make her some sort of like a seductive kind of like girl, like you did over here, still you would have given her a mouse kind of like look, mouse kind of like character, mouse kind of like features, huh? What was your problem? But anyways, this is still fine, you know, this is still fine. I can give this a go. But this, I cannot explain this. I literally cannot explain this shit. What is this shit? I do not know. I do not know how people can do this shit in 2025. I do not know where the world is going. I do not know how people can accept this as a female character. I have seen enough shit in my life. This is crazy. But this is beyond everything. This thing that you're seeing over here, this is beyond anything that I've ever seen. This is not how you design a character. I will show you I will show you Child's design. Child designed this cool tomboy character. Hold on. Don't worry about it. He's just projecting himself onto you guys. He's going mad nowadays. He's going crazy. Look at this design. This is T by my child. Okay? She's a tomboy character. She likes to wear guy clothes. Okay? But still, this looks like a freaking girl. This thing looks like a freaking girl. And a guy at the same time. And look at her. Look at her expressions, look at her actions, okay? This is how you design a tomboy character. This is how you design a character. Even the proportions are fine. Wider hips than the shoulders. This is a girl in a guy's clothes. This is a freaking tomboy character. This is how you design characters. What the frick is this shit? I do not understand this at all. This is disturbing. Like actually disturbing. This is not even worth roasting. Alright, that's about it. I have seen enough shit for one day. I'm just gonna go and just go somewhere. Literally go somewhere. I think Child made a longer kind of like video for this in his live stream, so be sure to check that out. Alright? And if you're designing such shit, then I'm gonna come there and tear your drawing page and I'm gonna send you back to kindergarten. Alright, that's about it. I will see you in the next video. So please subscribe, because if you do not, I will come there and tear your drawing page.